Riverside Autoplex is Oklahoma's low price leader, proud to offer the best deals on new Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, Ford, and Honda.
You will love this Code Pearl 2012 Chrysler 300 Sedan C Luxury Series, equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 25 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like driver-side auto-dimming exterior mirrors, auto-dimming rear-view mirror with microphone, remote power windows, cooled beverage holders, heated beverage holders, ambient lighting, auxiliary audio input, memory card slot, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, electronic stability control, illuminated beverage holders, heated rear seats, remote engine, start, heated exterior mirrors, anti-theft alarm system with engine, immobilizer, power adjustable lumbar passenger seat, navigation system with voice recognition, rear view camera, ventilated passenger seat, power adjustable pedals, navigation system with touchscreen display, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2012 Chrysler 300. See us at Riverside Autoplex of Muskogee today.